This 2024 Grand Design Momentum M-Class 395 Mega Siemens is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Rural Hall, North Carolina, 27045 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Winston, Salem. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features a silver maple interior, sleeps 5, slide-out, and 140 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.